Hello students, welcome to Aryan English Medium School online classes. This is video for standard 5th subject mathematics, and today we are going to learn lesson number 3, addition and subtraction. My name is Lakshmi Badgu. First of all, we will see the addition which you studied in last year also, addition of 4-digit number and 5-digit number. In this year, we are studying the addition of 6 and 7-digit number. First of all, we will see revision of last year's, and problem set 7 is based on revision only. That is addition of 5-digit number, students. So see here, what is the number? The number is 40,722 is added with 13,819. Now here we have to do the addition, students. Okay. So see here, 2 plus 9, how much it is? 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 is carried over. Okay. 2 plus 1 is 4. Now 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15, no students? So here we have to write unit place here 15 and tens place is carried over. That is 3 plus 0 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. So the answer is 54,541. Okay. What is answer? 54,541. So our answer is 54,541. Okay. Just now we solved the same example. Now we will see the second example. See, 64,027 is added with 28,409. Here also we have to do addition. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 carried over again. 2 plus 1 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 is carried over here. 6 plus 2 plus 1, how much, students? 6, 7, 8 and 9. Answer is 94,436. Okay. So now we will see that addition of 6-digit and 7-digit number. We learned addition of 5-digit number and 4-digit number in last year. Now like that only 6 and 7-digit numbers we are learning. We learned the 6 and 7-digit number in number work, students. How to read that also we know. So now first of all read this number. The number is 42,311. Now this is a 5-digit number. It's added with 7-digit number, that is 65,36,624. Now this we have to do addition. 4 plus 1, units to units place, tens to tens place, 100 to 100, 1000 to 1000 and 10,000 to 10,000 place. Addition we have to do compulsory. Okay, don't write this 1000 place at the lakh place, it is wrong. We have to write unit to unit, tens to tens, 100 to 100, 1000 to 1000, 10,000 to 10,000 and so on. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 3 is, yes, 9. Now 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 3, how much, students? Yes, 7. And this 5 as it is and 6 as it is. So answer is 65,78,935. Okay. Now again one example we will see. That is second example is 2,656 is added with 71,209. Again it is added with 5,03,789. Now here 3 numbers are there. 3 different numbers are there. All are adding with each other. Okay, students. Now 9 plus 9 plus 4, how much, students? 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So 2 is carried over here. 5 plus 2 plus 8. Yes, correct. 15. 1 carried over. 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 7, how much, students? 16. Again 1 carried over here. 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. That is 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. No carried over is here because single number is there. 7 plus 0 is 7 and 5 is as it is. So answer is 5,77,652 students. Okay. Again one example we will see. First number is our 2-digit number only. 22 is added with 6,047 and again it is added with 3,84,527. Okay, do the addition. 7 plus 7 plus 2, yes, it is 16. 1 carried over. Okay, now 5 4 5 6 7 8 and 1 is 9. 5 plus 0 5, correct. 6 plus 0 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 carried over. 8 plus 1 is 9 and this 3 as it is. So answer is 3,90,596 students. See, 3,90,596 is the answer. Now we will see the same this addition examples based on the word problem, students. So in problem set 1, in a certain election 13,47,048 women are cast their votes and 14,29,638 men cast their votes. How many votes were polled altogether is a question now. Now we will see the answer, students. So first of all here what we have to do, total altogether they told. Altogether means addition we have to do. How many women are there? 13,47,048 women and number of the men are 14,29,638 men votes. Now what we have to do, total number of the people we have to find here, means total votes polled we have to find. So what we have to do here, yes, addition. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 carried over. 4 5 6 7 8. Now 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 carried over. 4 5 6 and carried over 1 is 7. No carried over here, students. And again 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. 1 plus 1 2. So total how many people are there? 27,76,686 total votes polled in that election. Okay, so altogether 27,76,686 votes were polled. Okay, students. Now again one example we will see. A textile mill produced 17,24,938 meters of cloth in last year. What that company textile mill produced? Cloth. Okay, how much meter? 17,24,938 meters. And in current year, the 23,47,056 meter of cloth he produced. So what is the question? See, what was the total production for 2 years? Total production, again, total means altogether, total in all are there, means we have to do their compulsory addition. So we will see the answer. Meters produced in last year, meters of the cloth, that is 17,24,938 and current year is 23,47,056 meters of cloth produced in this year. Now we have to find that the answer, that total production of the cloth in 2 years. Okay, so that answer is 6 plus 8 is 14. 1 carried over here. 5 plus 3 plus 1. Yes, 9. No carried over. 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 carried over. 4, 5, 6, 7. And here 7 plus 3 is 10. No, students. 1 carried over. So total 1 plus 2 is 4. So total meters of cloth produced in 2 years is 40,71,994 meters of cloth produced in 2 years. Now So the total cloth produced in 2 years was 40,71,994 meters. Okay, now we will see examples based on the subtraction. Till now we studied only addition. Our topic name is what? Addition and subtraction, no students. Now subtraction, last year also we studied subtraction of 5-digit number. So we will see first a revision of that 5-digit number in problem set 10. The number is 64,293 minus 28,547. Okay, last year we studied how we are doing subtraction, students. See, if this number 7 minus 3, 7, we can't subtract 7 from 3, so borrow 1 point. How we are doing? We are cancelling this. Borrow 1 tens from the tens place and write there 8, and this 1 tens plus 3 units becomes 13. 13 minus 7 is how much, students? Yes, 6 it is, correct. Now 8 minus 4, yes, 8 minus 4 we can subtract. From 8 apples we took 4 apples. How many apples are remain now? 4 apples, correct. Now we can't subtract 5 from 2. Again borrow 1 point from the 4, that is here 3 is remaining, and here it becomes 12. 12 minus 5, how much, students? Yes, 7 it is, correct. Now next one is 3 minus 8 we can't subtract. Again borrow 1 point, here it becomes 5, and this is 13. 13 minus 8, 13 minus 8 is how much? Yes, 5 it is. Now 5 minus 2 is 3, so the answer is 746. So we will see the answer. Yes, our answer is correct, students. 35,746. Second one also like this only we have to do. 71,540 minus 58,628. Okay, what will be the answer, students? Yes, you solve it. Yes, correct, it is answer. Same method we have to do, like this only. Borrow 1 point, and here it is 10, and here 3 is remaining. Okay, so if we are borrowing the points, then we will get the answer is 12,912. Okay, students. Now we will see the subtraction of 6 and 7-digit number. Addition of 6 and 7-digit number we saw now, like that only. Now in this year we are solving the subtraction by another method, students. Okay, this method is you studied till last year. Now another method is very easy than the this method. Okay, see, in problem set 11 example is given. 88,57,513 is, and subtraction is 4,82,256. Okay, so now here what we have to do, see, students, here this is the another method. We can't subtract 6 from 3, so borrow 1 point. That borrowed point here we have to write here below, and this units place becomes 1 tens, and from 1 tens plus 3 units is 13 units, that is 13. Okay, so this 13 minus 6, how much, students? 13 minus 6 is 7. Now here borrowed point we gave here below, so we have to add these two numbers. 5 plus 1 is how much, students? 5 plus 1 is 6. Yes, 5 plus 1 is 6. Now 6 tens we can't subtract from the 110, so again borrow 1 point from the 500, that is that borrowed point here we have to give below, and this one becomes 11. 11 minus this 5 plus 1 is 6, no? 11 minus 6 is how much? 11 minus 6 is 5, correct. Now borrowed point is there, again add it. 2 plus 1 is 3. We can subtract 3 from 5. 5 minus 3 is how much, students? 2, correct. Now 7 minus 2 is 5. Now 5 minus 8, again we can't subtract. Again borrow 1 point. Borrowed point here we have to give below, and this becomes 15. 15 minus 8, yes, it is 7. And 8 4 plus 1 is 5 students. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 minus 5 is how much? 8 minus 5 is 3. So the answer is 3,57,257. Subtraction of this method is very easy students. Okay. Subtract now. 3 minus 8 we can't subtract. Borrow 1 point, borrowed point right here below, and it is 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. Now 4 plus 1 is 5 students. We can't subtract 5 tens from 1 10. So borrow 1 point, that borrowed point right below, and it is 11. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 plus 1 is 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. Again 6 plus 1 7. 7 we can't subtract from the 4 2. So borrow 1 point here, it becomes 12. 12 minus 7. Yes, it is 5. Now we can't subtract this 4 plus 1 5 from the 1. Again borrow 1 point from the 5. 10,000, that is 50,000, and here it is 11. 11 minus how much students? 11 minus 5 is 6. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 we can't subtract from the 0. Again borrow 1 point, so it is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So answer is 46,556 students. See, the same example I solved here. Borrowed point also I gave. Okay, here borrowed point we have to write. Answer is 46,556 students. Now the same examples we are solving by in problem set 12 in the form of the word problems. So read the question. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth 27,450 rupees, and he has 22,975 rupees only. So what is the amount he still needs to be able to buy a laptop? Now again some amount he needs to buy a laptop. What is the cost of laptop? Yes, 27,450 rupees, and he has only 22,975 rupees. Again some amount he needs, no students. That amount we have to find. So here we have to do subtraction. Okay, see, this is the price of the laptop, and he have 22,975. So same method, subtraction we have to do. See, required more. How much amount he required here, that we have to see, students. Now do the subtraction. 5, we can't subtract 5 from 0. So again borrow 1 point, that is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 students. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. We can't subtract 8 from 5. Again borrow 1 point. 15 it is. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is how much? Yes, 15 minus 8 is 7. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. We can't subtract 10 from 4. Borrow 1 point. 14 minus 10 is 4. And 2 minus 3 is 7 minus 3 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. So still he needs how much amount, students? Still he needs 4,475 rupees. Still he required more to buy a laptop, students. Okay, that borrowed point here I given, see students, borrowed point here below I wrote 1. Now next question we will see. An organization decided to collect 25 lakh rupees for a certain project, and they collected 26,57,340 rupees extra. 340 rupees through the donation and other kinds of the aid. By how much did they exceed their target? What they decided, how much amount? 25 lakh rupees, but they collected more amount, that is 26,57,340. This is more, no? So how much amount they exceed by their target, that we have to find. Means here also we have to do subtraction, students. That is 26,57,340 and decided amount is 25 lakh. Here we have to do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 0 is 4, 3 minus 0 is 3, 7 minus 0 7, 5 minus 0 5, 6 minus 5 is 1 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Here all zeros are there, that's why the subtraction is very easy, students. So how much amount they collected more? 1,57,340 rupees amount they collected more here. Okay, students. Now we will see the mixed examples, that is addition and subtraction, both are there in that example. Okay. Now in problem set 13 we will see first example. The forest department planted 23,078 trees of care. 23,078 trees of care, 19,476 of beda, beside trees of several other kinds. If the department planted total trees, that is 50,000 trees altogether, how many trees were neither of care nor of beda? Means that forest department total planted trees are 50,000. Out of that 23,078 saplings of care and 19,476 saplings of beda, and again some other kinds of the saplings also they planted. So we have to find that other kinds which are rather than neither care or nor of the beda, that we have to find, students. So first of all we have to do what? First of all we have to do the addition, no, of these two numbers, because very simple example also we know, no, students. If there are total 3 students are there and with mother 20 chocolates are there. Assume that 20 chocolates are there. Mother gave first child to the 5 chocolates, second child to the second child 7 chocolates. Okay. So for third child how many chocolates she given? That we have to find. Here total number of the chocolates are 20. For first child she gave 5 and for second child she gave 7. 5 plus 7 how much, students? Yes, it is 12. So total 20 chocolates were there. 20 minus 12, how many remain? Yes, 8 are remain. So she gave to her third child 8 chocolates. So like that only here also we have to do the addition of smaller numbers, and whatever sum is coming, that sum we have to subtract from the total number. Okay. So see, 23,078 trees of care and 19,476 trees of beda. Now after addition we will get the answer 42,554 trees. Means altogether these are the trees of khair and beda. The total number of the trees are 50,000, no, students. So subtract these 42,554 from the 50,000. We know the subtraction, borrow 1 point from the number, then we will get 7,446 number of the trees. Here we borrowed 1 point, students. 4 we can't subtract 4 from 0, that's why this borrowed point, and here it is 10. Here also all the numbers becomes 10 only, no, students. And 5 minus 4 plus 1, 5 is 0, that's why here this is 0 coming, and the 7,446 trees are other kinds of the plants which are neither khair nor beda. Okay, we will see the last example. See, for a 3-day cricket match, 13,608 tickets were sold on first day. On first day, 13,608 tickets sold. On second day, 8,955 tickets sold. And altogether, 36,463 tickets were sold in 3 days. So, how many were sold in third day? That we have to find, students. Okay. Now, here like that only same example. First of all, add these two small numbers, that is the tickets were sold on first day and second day. Do the addition 13,608 plus 8,955. After addition we will get 563 means tickets sold on first and second day was 22,563 and the total number of the tickets sold in 3 days is 36,463. So here we have to find how many tickets were sold on third day, students. So subtract this sum from the total number of the tickets. See, do the subtraction. 3 minus 3 0, 6 minus 6 0, 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 2 is 4 and 3 minus 2 is 1, means total number of the tickets sold on third day is 14,000. Okay, so therefore 14,000 tickets were sold on third day, students. Okay, I hope all of you understood this addition and subtraction, mixed examples and subtraction by the another method, students. Thank you.